Hey there everybody, High Mileage Rider here. And as the title of the video says today, we are going to attach the Traxxion Dynamics footstand pad onto the side stand of the Goldwing today. If you want to know how to do it, come on back. Okay, so the next piece we're going to go with is the Traxxion Dynamics foot stand. It makes the foot stand imprint a little bit larger so it doesn't sink into grass or gravel or soft cement or asphalt. So let's open this up. Okay, so there's our foot stand, and that is obviously just going to slide on. And then on this side, you will put 2 screws in, and then 2 set screws on top of that, and you will use some blue Loctite. And these are our little screws. So let's head over to the bike. So sorry, just before we head over to the bike, I'll show this to you so you can see. It says use medium strength Loctite on the threads of the screws. Install the long screws first, tighten down fully, then install the short screws on top of the long and tighten. The short screws, make them as a jam screw to make sure there's no chance of the long screws loosening up. Okay, now let's head to the bike. Okay, so here we are at the foot stand. So all we're gonna do is take our stand and slide it on, nice and snug. Then we will take our first large screw, and this is a 2.5 millimeter. And then we will grab our Loctite. Again, use medium strength, so we'll put a little bit of blue on there. That's probably a little too much, but that's okay. And now we will screw this in. And we'll just wipe off the excess Loctite when we're done. And you can see it starting to catch there. Okay, we'll just wipe off that excess. Okay, that's one. And now we grab our second one right there. Put a little bit of Loctite on. There we go. And screw that into the back side. And then again, these secure the foot stand cover to the foot stand, and then we're going to have some jam screws we're going to put in next, which are going to prevent the first screws from ever backing out. And you can feel that starting to catch. So you want these tight. Okay. Those are tight. And now you have your jam screw, and we'll put a little bit of Loctite on that as well. Okay, and now the jam screw goes in. Oops. Okay, that's tight. And now the next jam screw. And again, just a little bit of Loctite. There we go. Okay, wipe off your excess Loctite, and that is your foot pad on. Ready to go. Okay, so that was a pretty easy install. As I always say, if I can do it, anybody can do it. If you enjoyed the video, if you thought you learned something, please consider liking it. Consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell. YouTube will let you know when we have new videos. And until the next video, keep your right hand cranked and the rubber side down.